Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to copy a voice call link on WhatsApp using the PC app. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to share call links directly from your desktop. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, download it from the official website and set it up by linking your phone. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a phone icon. Click on it. This will take you to the Calls section, where you can manage and initiate calls. Next, click on the option labeled Start Call. Before proceeding, make sure to turn off your camera if you're creating a voice call link. This ensures the link is set up for audio-only communication. After turning off the camera, you'll notice an option to Copy Link. Click on this button and the link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now share this link with anyone via email, message, or any other platform of your choice. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, opening WhatsApp, navigating to the phone icon, starting a call with the camera turned off, and copying the link, you're ready to connect with others effortlessly. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it and help others learn how to use this handy feature. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication with WhatsApp.